It is share time. What are we sharing here today? We have got the Jaybirds. These are headphones, wireless. Great for sporting activities. It comes with a case, which is nice because you can carry it around. And basically, inside, you have got the headphones. You can adjust this part to whatever size you like to wrap around your head, and it will basically go in one ear and the other, and it'll wrap around the back of your neck. Sits pretty nice, pretty comfortable. Sound quality is pretty good, and you can answer phone calls while washing dishes, which is absolutely awesome. Or vacuum if you wanna laundry. You can have these in your ears and multitask at the same time. So one thing you want to make sure you know is that on the earpiece itself, you have got these three buttons. One's for volume up and down. The other one, the middle one, is for power. So you can press the power button. It will turn on. You could press it and hold it. It will turn off. And I think if you press both of these, it will be Bluetooth enabled. Okay, and obviously you can pull them back and forth to figure out what size best fits for you, and same for this side. Hope you like this video. If you have used these before, let me know. Like button, subscribe, bell, and share. And thanks for watching. Again, there'll be 2 videos coming up, 1 or 2. Choose one. If you have time, check them out. Playtime for these are great. You can put these on while people are at home. You don't want to talk to anybody. Put it in your ear and headphones. It becomes very funny because your mom, your dad, your daughter, your kid, anybody will try and get your attention, and you can see them, but they think you can't hear them.